How to turn off newsfeed on Microsoft Edge new tab page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft Edge and then you'll be navigated to this page. You will see the gear icon, that is the settings on the top right. Go ahead and tap on it, and then here scroll down and you'll find full page, partial view and headings option. So if you have set it to full page, you can see a lot of news feed. Now if you tap on partial view, then you can see that the news feed has reduced a bit. Now if you set it to headings, then the news feed completely disappears. So what you need to do is you'll need to set it to headings if you don't want any news feed to appear. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.